spread your love? What if your sweetness could reach everyone? There'd be no wars. Maybe the birds will sing about your heart. Maybe the trees will whisper the word. Maybe the sun will spread your joy to the ones who lost their hope.
You in the dark, you lit me up. You made me feel right though I was enough. We danced the night away, we drank too much. I had you here back when you were throwing up. Then you smiled over your shoulder. For a minute I was stone cold sober. I put you closer to my chest. Then you asked me to stay over. I said I already told you. I think that you should get some rest. I know I loved you then, but you never know. 'Cause I played it cool and I was scared of letting go. I know I needed you, but I never show. 'Cause I wanna stay with you until we're great and old. Just say you won't let go. Just say you won't let go. 'Cause I wanna stay with you until we're great and old. 我来啦！
Stuck in the past watching videos of us. I have been trying to get rid of your stuff, but voices in my head are telling me to stop. It's all I have left, all I have of you. Thought I was more than a body to hold, baby. I wanted you, wanted us to be something more. I was so sure, but let my guard down for you. Baby, why'd you have to love me like that? I gave you my heart and you tore it apart. Don't know why you had to hurt me like that. 'Cause now I'm messed up, drinking non-stop, just trying to forget you and everything we said. But I can't seem to get these thoughts out of my head. Baby, why'd you have to love me like that? Love me like that. Oh. Thought I was more than a body to hold, baby. I wanted you,